Your nerdy best friend Beth Z used to travel to her audiences. But when the world changed, Beth Z moved online. Online learning is her focus now. And she brings her interactive presentations to you and your audiences. Her programs are live and on demand. Members get education when and where they need it. When members need tech help, Beth Z is just a click away. No matter her background or hairstyle, Beth is a true professional. She eliminates all distractions. And she always wears pants. Check out Your Nerdy Best Friend online.